Hello and welcome back guys to Solidworks tutorials. In this video we are going to design and assemble a knuckle joint in Solidworks. So simply click here new and here select part. OK. Plain white background. Now here select top plane and sketch. Now select here circle. Create two circles from the origin like this. Now select smart dimension. Select this outer circle 200 diameter and the smaller circle 100 diameter. OK. Now go to feature and select Extruded Boss and extrude this sketch in the mid-plane direction up to 200 mm. Okay, okay. Now go to feature and select Extruded Boss. Now here keep the direction mid-plane up to 120 mm. Click OK. Now again select the top plane. Click sketch. Normal. Now here select center line and create one horizontal center line. Exit. Now select line and hold down shift key and start from here. Now hold down the control key and start from here. And join it up to here. Right click and exit. Select convert entities and select this outer circle. OK. Now join this up to this circle. Now select here trim entities and trim this portion. OK. Now select smart dimension. Select this line and make it 120 mm. And select this origin and this line, make it 400 mm. Now select these three lines, make them symmetric. Okay. Now go to feature and select Extruded Boss. Now here select the mid plane. Now click OK, 120 mm. Now select this face and click sketch, normal. Now here create one circle. Now select smart dimension. Here assign the diameter 100 mm and go to feature and select Extruded Boss. Now here keep the distance 150 mm. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Now here at the corner create one triangle. exit. Select smart dimension and select this line. This length is 40 mm. Make this angle 45 mm, 45 degree, sorry. Okay. Now select center line and create one vertical and one horizontal center line from the origin, intersecting each other at the origin. Okay. Now select mirror entities. Now in the entities to mirrors, first select the circle, and in the mirror about, select this horizontal center line first. Click OK. Now again go to mirror entities and select the two triangles, and in the mirror about section select the vertical center line. Now click OK. Now the sketch is ready. Now go to feature and select Extruded Cut. And here keep the direction blind up to 150 mm. Now select OK. Now select here fillet. Here keep the radius 20 mm and select this edge. And here also. Select the four edges and click OK. Now our first part is ready. Assign some color. Go to appearance and assign any color of your choice. Now save it as I and save. Now close this. Now we will create our second part called fork end. So go to new and select part. Now here select the top plane, sketch. Now create two circles. Select here smart dimension. Assign the diameter 200 mm to the larger circle and small one is 100 mm. Now go to feature and select Extruded Boss. Now here select in the from select offset and keep the offset distance 60 mm, and in the direction one keep it blind 75 mm. And click OK. Now here select the front plane and sketch. Now create one center line from the origin. Exit. Now select line. And create one line inside the geometry. Exit. Now select center point arc. First create an arc here up to this point. Exit. And one more arc from the same center. Okay. Select center point arc And from the same center, draw one more arc. Exit. Now select line and join this up to here. Now here create one center line. Make it vertical and make it coincide with this origin. Okay. Select this point and this line. Coincide. Now select this line and this origin. Keep distance 120 mm. Make this line and this arc tangent. Now select line and start from here. Join it up to this point like this. Okay, exit. And join this curve up to here. Make it horizontal. Okay. Now select smart dimension and select this line from the origin 400 mm and this distance is not this one. Delete it. 60 mm. Okay. Now go to feature and select Extruded Boss. Keep the direction mid plane. Keep the direction mid plane and distance 120 mm. Click OK. So this is the error. So edit the feature. First edit the sketch. Drag this line inward. Now exit. Now it's better. Now select mirror. Now here select the top plane as the mirror plane and select this body and this one. Click OK. Make sure to select the geometry pattern on here. Now select this face and sketch normal. Select one circle. Assign the dimension 100 mm and go to feature and select Extruded Boss. Here keep the distance 200 mm and direction blind. Okay. Now select this face and sketch normal. Now here we need to create triangle at the corner. So select line and create one triangle like this. Assign the dimension. Select smart dimension and select this line 30 mm and this angle 45 degree. Now create two center lines, one horizontal and one vertical intersecting at the origin. Okay. Now go to mirror entities and select this triangle to mirror about this horizontal center line. Okay. Now again select mirror entities and select the two triangles to be mirrored about the vertical center line. Okay. Now go to feature and select Extruded Cut. Here keep the distance 120 mm. Okay. Now select Fillet. Here select 80 mm radius. Select this edge and this edge. Okay. Again select Fillet and this time keep the radius 90 mm. Now select these four edges. Okay. Again select Fillet and keep the radius 20 mm and select these four edges. Click OK. Now our second part is ready, the fork end. Select here edit appearance. Assign some color. Okay. Now save it as fork end. Save. Now close this. Now we will create our third part called the collar. So simply select here new part. Okay. Now select here top plane and sketch. Select here circle and create two circles. Select here smart dimension and assign the diameter 150 mm and the smaller circle 100 mm. Now go to feature and select Extruded Boss. Here keep the direction blind and keep the distance 50 mm. Click OK. Now here select the front plane and normal. Select circle. Create one circle here. Assign the dimension to the circle. Diameter 25 mm and the distance from here 75 mm. The vertical distance is 25 mm. Okay. Now go to feature and select Extruded Cut. In the direction select through all. Select here through all both. Click OK. Select here fillet. Here keep the radius 1 mm. Select this outer edge. And the inner edges. Click OK. Now assign some color. Okay. Now save it as collar. Now close this. Now we will create our fourth part called pin. So select here new. Okay. Now here select the top plane, sketch. Select circle. Create one circle and select smart dimension. Keep the diameter 100 mm and go to feature and select Extruded Boss. Keep the direction blind up to 350 mm Okay. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Again create a circle and keep the radius 150 mm. Now go to feature and select Extruded Boss. Extrude this up to 50 mm. Okay. Now here select Fillet and select this edge. Keep the radius 10 mm. Click OK. Now select the front plane, sketch, normal. Create one circle here. Now assign dimension to the circle. Diameter 25 mm. And the distance from this point 50 mm. And the vertical distance 55 mm. Now go to feature and select Extruded Cut. Here keep the direction through all both. Click OK. Now assign some color. Now save this part as pin. Save. Now close this. Now we will create our fifth part called taper pin. So select new part. So simply select a top plane and sketch. Create circle and keep the diameter 25 mm and extrude this. Keep the direction mid plane and extrude this up to 200 mm. Okay. Now save this as taper pin. Now close this. Now all the parts are ready. Select here new and this time select assembly. Okay. Now this pop-up will ask you to insert all the parts. So select all the parts. Open. Drop these parts. Okay. Now here go to assembly and here select mat and first we will assign the concentric mat to this cylindrical faces. Concentric, click OK and select this surface and this surface, coincide mat. Okay. Now select this face, outer face and this inner face, concentric mat. Okay. And select this face, delete this and select this face, mat, coincide mat. Okay. Now select this outer face of the pin and the inner face of the collar, concentric mat. Okay. Now here don't need to give the coincide mat. We can simply select this face and this face and select concentric mat. Okay. Now select this pin, taper pin and this inner face, concentric mat. Okay. Now you can see this is not symmetric on both sides. So scroll down and here select, go to advanced mat and select width Now select this face and this opposite face, and in the tab selection select this cylindrical circular face. Now click OK. Now you can see that the pin is centered. Now cancel this. Now you can see this is inside the. Now go to mat and scroll down. Here go to advanced mat and here select angle. Now select this face and this face. Here keep the maximum angle 180 degree and the minimum angle 90 degree. Okay. And the present angle make it anything between these two maximum and minimum values. Let it be 150 degree. Okay. So this was a video on knuckle joint assembly in SolidWorks. Thank you for watching, guys. Give this video a like, and for any doubts drop your comments below.